Hello everybody, welcome back to another curve modeling tutorial. This time I will go over the major changes in Blender 2.92. The bevel options have changed. You now have three options: round, object and profile. Round is the default. You can change the horizontal resolution under the bevel option. The vertical resolution is still under shape. You can add another curve and use this as the bevel object. Add a curve and rotate along x 90 degrees. Move it one Blender unit left. This will help you understand. You can now change the shape of the curve. Play with the shape and the handles. You can view my other videos on how to model with curves. The third option is the profile. Think of this as a cross-section of a quarter of a circle. By adjusting the handles, you can make really cool shapes. This can be very fun to make beautiful ornaments. There is also another change since 2.92. In edit mode, by default you only see the selected handle. You can change this in the viewport settings. You can now draw freehand curves in edit mode by selecting the icon on the left. This is really cool. You can change the settings of the freehand tool on top next to surface. There is now another feature, drawing curves on surfaces. Add a cube and Ctrl 4 to add subdiv modifier. Add a curve and tab into edit mode. Delete all vertices and select freehand and select surface. You are now drawing on the surface of the object. Turn on round to see the curve. You can scale the handles to get some interesting results. Use a mesh as an object. Add a curve and add a plane. The plane cannot be selected unless you convert it to a curve. Now you can add it. You can tilt the handles to unlock the full potential of curves. You can scale the curve in one point. To improve your workflow, you can move the profile anywhere and adjust it as needed. Remember, this is a curve now. Somehow, the handles can only be vectors. This is strange. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Have a look at the other curved modeling tutorials on this channel.